Is Evolv GLP-1 a scam, or is it actually legit? If you've been eyeing those flashy ads promising to curb your cravings and help you lose weight, you're not alone. Let's get real about what Evolv GLP-1 is, and what it isn't. Evolv GLP-1 calls itself a biomimetic supplement. That just means it tries to mimic hormones in your body that control appetite. The star ingredient? A proprietary yeast peptide, designed with some AI magic, aiming to keep those hunger hormones active for longer than usual. But here's the truth. Evolv GLP-1 is not a prescription drug like Ozempic or Wegovy. It's a supplement, not a medication. So it's not FDA approved for weight loss or regulated for effectiveness like those big-name injections. What can you realistically expect? Some users say they lost 4 to 10 pounds in a few weeks and had less food noise. Thinking about snacks all day. That's pretty good for a supplement. But others? They call it an overhyped probiotic, or even a scam, especially if they didn't see any results. The reality is, the average weight loss is way less than you'd see with prescription GLP-1 drugs. We're talking maybe 4 or 5 pounds over several months, not 15 or 20% of your body weight. So, is Evolv GLP-1 a scam? No, not if you want a natural supplement that might give you a gentle nudge on your weight loss journey. But if you're expecting miracle results like the prescription meds, you'll probably be disappointed, and you might feel tricked by the marketing hype. Bottom line, read the label, manage your expectations, and if you're serious about weight loss, talk to your doctor before you buy.